Hi, welcome to Weekend Menu. We believe that you are in the best form right now, but you've also had a very good run on television with a lot of other association in terms of colors. First of all, congratulations for such a record-breaking collections at the box office.
Thank you very much.
Powerhouse talent, a wonderful multitasker and a beautiful senorita. I'm talking about Farhan Akhtar, Katrina Kaif and Abhay Deol.
It looks like that the Maharashtra government is sailing on a sinking ship. Scams after scams being exposed is only tarnishing the government's image. The verdict is out and the entire world knows about Ajmal Amir Kasab's fate. But nobody can forget this talk. Yes, I'm talking about Girgaon Chowpatty. When you talk about Mausam, retrospect, when you look about the film, the reviews, everything, what do you take away from that? Sabir, is this a trend sort of a thing in Hollywood right now? Because most of the iconic films or the blockbusters are being converted into 3D. So is this like you're cashing on a brand which is already there in the market?
I don't think it's cashing in on a brand.
We have the man himself, Vikram, who will answer all these questions and on Ravan. You're also giving a tough fight out there to Spider-Man being the baddie there. So how are you managing things? So you also have a reason to rejoice because you gave the industry the first hit, or I should say the 100 Crore Club movie, that is Agnipath, and also Ek Main Aur Ek Tu did reasonably well. But do you think there can be other films which can fall into the 100 Club movie? No doubt that these movies can be pirated and be watched online, but only in a 2D form. However, the clinching factor is that the 3D experience can be gained only in a cinema hall by wearing these 3D glasses. So lastly, I have to ask you about this film which has created a lot of buzz in the industry, that is opposite Sonakshi Sinha.
Shobana, what can you tell us about the fire?
The fire broke out at around 6:30 today. I'm talking about the legendary singer Asha Bhosle, who's mesmerized the world with her evergreen voice and persona. Ma'am, first of all, a very happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
So my first question to you is about the budget which has come out today. Are you happy with the way the film industry has been given importance, or do you think it has been ignored completely by the government? The annual theatrical turnover for Indian film fraternity is estimated somewhere between 9 to 10,000 crore rupees. So when they shut shop for even one day, which includes no screening of films and also no work at any stage of production, the estimated loss turns out to be somewhere between 20 to 35 crore rupees. For hardcore action lovers, Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol releases today. Here's what we think of it. Would you like to thank anybody on camera who had been there for you, supporting, encouraging, motivating you through your trials and tribulations?
I like that.
Pitbull fans should gear up for a live performance of the star, especially if you're in Mumbai or Pune this weekend. Thank you so much and wishing you all the best. The definition of entertainment may not change with 4G coming in, but there's definitely a change waiting to happen on how it will be consumed. In an industry where the limelight is always on the stars who shine on the silver screen, there are several departments working round the clock behind the scenes to enhance every frame. Sound designing is one of them.
Go across, in fact, to Shobana, who joins us live from Mumbai for more on Amitabh Bachchan's birthday.
Today, Kaun Banega Crorepati Season 4 was launched, and what better occasion than Mr. Bachchan's birthday. Talking about the upcoming films like Gangs of Wasseypur, there were a lot of reports that it was based on The Godfather. Does that report...
nothing to do with The
No,
Godfather.
that's what I wanted to ask you. Do you think before seeing the film, people claiming such reports irks you, irritates you?
No, it doesn't, because
India as a market, how do you think Indian market has grown for you? Now, do you think in spite of such a big film festival in the country, do you still need to promote French cinema so extensively? What was the main reason why you chose to produce this film? Because the reviews of the prequel weren't that many favorable. Do you plan to or intend to compose for any Hindi film?
Well, if the Hindi film people decide that they would like me to do it, I would love to do it.
Politics and religion divide people, but art and culture unite them. So how's the experience like, you coming back with Dangerous Ishq?
Well, honestly, I'm very excited.
Do you think films like Delhi Belly or other films have a market this year?
I think so.
What are your thoughts about Indian production companies trying to go Hollywood, and also what do you think the 3 basic things they need to get it right?
I am Shobna Nair signing off.